Our workout today comes to you from CrossFit Mainsite. This CrossFit Mainsite workout is quite a fun one. It's going to be an AMRAP in 10 minutes. As many reps or calories as possible in that 10 minutes. We do have a buy-in, however, and that's going to be 50 alternating snatches. On these snatches, the weight is going to be heavy. The dumbbell will be one single dumbbell, and we will alternate back and forth until you've done a total of 50 reps. That's 25 on each side. We'll go ahead and be using 75 pounds for the men and 50 pounds for the women, and this is a dumbbell. If we're looking at the weight and how the weight should feel, you should be able to complete 10 alternating snatches unbroken before you have to rest on this movement. So we need to make sure that we're scaling appropriately so that we can get that desired 10 rep completion before any rest is acquired. As soon as you finish those 50 snatches, and yes, you do have to finish all of them in its entirety before you move on to the next one, you're going to complete 50 steps of a dumbbell lunge. These are going to be alternating steps, so more than likely we will be moving forward, and you'll be moving forward 10 steps, turning around and going back 10 steps until you've completed 50 reps. Ideally, these 50 reps should be completed unbroken. So that's going to be how we're going to dictate the weight. The weight will be the same for the snatches and the lunges. However, if they need to be two different dumbbells, you can absolutely do them that way. We really want to make sure that we're focusing on those two directives, 10 reps on the snatch before you have to rest, and then really shooting for unbroken 50 lunges. As soon as you finish that, the time remaining within that 10 minutes, you're going to go ahead and get as many calories on the rower as you can. We're looking forward to being on the rower for about 3-ish minutes. At least that's our goal and our intention. If you decide to go a little bit heavier on the movement of the snatch and the lunge, you will find that you're not going to have a lot of time on that rower. But if you do scale appropriately, you will have a decent amount of time on that rower. I don't want you to focus on the time that is going by when we're doing this workout. I really want you to focus on really chipping away fast at the snatches and the lunges. And then as soon as you get on the rower, you're not going to kind of coast. You're going to continue to push hard, getting as many calories as you can. 10 minutes goes by fast, so I want you to make sure that you are focusing on the task at hand and moving as efficiently as possible. Today, we really need you to scale properly to be able to do 10 unbroken snatches, and the possibility of doing 50 unbroken lunges is not daunting. You can hold the dumbbell on the lunges anywhere you'd like. As a farmer's carry, as a front rack, as a goblet, you can have that dumbbell held anywhere you'd like, and you can switch arms at any point. Make sure that the points of performance on the lunge is that you lightly tap your knee to the ground and stand all the way up to finish that rep. This workout is going to be challenging, but you can do it, you can push, and if you're scaled properly, you will get a lot of calories on that rower.